friends, welcome back to my channel Students Hindi. In this video we are going to learn the new Prathmik syllabus of NCERT of class 6. The first lesson will be taken in this video. So before we get into the video, please subscribe to my channel, like this video and share this video to your family and friends. So let's get into the video. Kavi or Kanjus, a poet and a miser. किसी गांव में गोवर्धन नाम का एक आदमी रहता था. In a village there was a man whose name was Govardhan. वो अच्छी कविता, he was a good poet. कवि is poet. लेकिन गरीब था, but he was poor. वो कविता लिखना छोड़कर कुछ नहीं जानता था. Beyond writing poems, he doesn't know anything. छोड़कर is except. जानता नो. परिवार में माँ बाप थे, बच्चे थे. In his family he had his mother, wife and his children. इसीलिए that's why वो रोज he daily आस पास here and far, there like that, near and there के किसी जमींदार या अमीर. जमींदार is merchant, अमीर is rich के घर जाता था और उनका गुणगान करते हुए कविता सुनाता था. So he and the good qualities of merchants and rich person, he went to their homes. वे लोग अपनी तारीफ सुनाकर गोवर्धन को कुछ ना कुछ देते थे. On their side they listened Govardhan's poem and they gave something to Govardhan. बस इसी तरह like this only गरीब कवि, गरीब poor poet किसी ना किसी how like that तरह अपना जीवन का निवास करता था. Like this only poet, the poet is कवि, that poet lived his life with his family. कभी कभी उसे खाली हाथ लौटना पड़ता था. Sometimes he have to go empty handed. One day Govardhan पास के किसी गांव में गया. So one day Govardhan went to a new village. वो वहाँ महेंद्र नाम का एक आदमी के घर पहुँचा. He went to a house of Mahendra. महेंद्र धनवान था लेकिन बड़ा कंजूस था. He was brave. महेंद्र was brave but he was big कंजूस, बड़ा big. किसी को भूलकर भी कौटी दमड़ी नहीं देता था. So without forgetting also he will never give anything to his anyone. गोवर्धन ने महेंद्र को अपना परिचय दिया. So Govardhan gave his test to Mahendra. उसके बाद उसने इस अर्थ की ये कविता सुनाई कि महेंद्र बड़ा वीर है और दानी भी है. So Govardhan gave a meaningful poem which has the meaning he was strong, he was brave, he was kind, like that. महेंद्र भी खुश हुआ. The Mahendra was खुश. खुश is nothing but happy. उसने नौकर से कहा कवि को सोने की थाली भेंट करो. So he said to his servant to make a plate full of gold. ये सुनाकर गोवर्धन भी खुश हुआ. After hearing this, Govardhan became happy. वो कहने लगा कि महेंद्र का समान बड़ा वीर और दानी आसपास के गांवों में कोई नहीं है. So after hearing that Mahendra saying to his naukar that plate, Govardhan started to praise him a lot, like there is no one brave than you, kind than you in this village. ये सुनाकर महेंद्र बहुत खुश हुआ. After hearing this, Mahendra became very happy. नौकर से कहा, he asked his servant, थाली में 100 अशरफियाँ भी ले आओ. So he asked his servant to 100 is 100. he asked the servant to bring 100 pieces of gold. Govardhan भी खुश हुआ का टिकट ना नहीं हा. So that was nothing. He was very happy. So that's why they are mentioning that टिकाना. लेकिन नौकर अंदर से आया नहीं. But then servant didn't come from inside. थोड़ी देर के बाद गोवर्धन ने महेंद्र से पूछा कि आपका नौकर क्यों नहीं आया. So after some time, Govardhan asked Mahendra, why your servant didn't come? So Mahendra is the कंजूस, Govardhan is the poet, नौकर, there is no one as नौकर. महेंद्र ने कहा कि वो नहीं आएगा. So what he said? He said, the नौकर won't come. गोवर्धन का दिल बैठ गया. So his heart broke. उसने पूछा कि क्या मुझे सोने की थाली और 100 अशरफियाँ नहीं मिलेंगी? So he asked Mahendra, won't I get the gold plate with 100 pieces of gold? महेंद्र हंसते हुए कहना लगा, तुम मुझे वीर और धानी कहा. He laughed and said, you said me I am brave, I am kind, like that. No, मैं जानता हूँ कि ये झूठ है. I know this is false. False is nothing, lie. झूठ is lie. मुझे खुश करने के लिए तुम झूठ बोले. To make me happy you said lie. उसी तरह तुमको खुश बनाने के लिए मैं भी झूठ बोला. That like that, I also said lies to make you happy. झूठ की वजह से हम दोनों थोड़ी देर के लिए खुश रहे. Because of this lie, we both became happy for some time. बस अब तुम जा सकते हो. Enough, you can go. Like that he said. Who said? Mahendra. गोवर्धन ने चुपचाप घर की राह ले ली. So quietly Govardhan left for his home. कहानी का सारांश. So summary of the story. एक गांव में गोवर्धन नाम का एक गरीब कवि अपने परिवार के साथ रहता था. In one village there was a man whose name was Govardhan living with his family. एक दिन वो महेंद्र नाम का धनवान के घर पहुंचा. One day he went to the Dhanwan, brave man's house, whose name was Mahendra. लेकिन वो बड़ा कंजूस था. But he was big कंजूस, miser, because he was big miser. गोवर्धन ने उस पर झूठी प्रशंसा की कविता सुनाई. Govardhan sang a lie song on him. इसे सुनकर महेंद्र ने अपने नौकर से गोवर्धन के लिए सोने की थाली और 100 अशरफे का ले आने के कहा. So इसे सुनकर, after hearing this, Mahendra said his नौकर is servant to bring a gold plate with 100 pieces of coins. मगर नौकर नहीं आए. but नौकर servant नहीं आए. But the servant didn't come. गोवर्धन के पूछने पर महेंद्र ने कहा कि आपने मुझे खुश करने के लिए झूठी बोला. उसी तरह आपको खुश करने के लिए मैं भी झूठ बोला. गोवर्धन को खाली हाथ कर लौटना पड़ा. So he asked Govardhan asked the Mahendra, why didn't your Nauka come? Like for that, Mahendra said, you said me lie to make me happy. Like that I said you lie to make you happy. Like that he said, and Govardhan have to go home emptily. So seek is moral. कंजूस बुलकर भी खोटी दमटी तक नहीं देता. So with forgetting also, कंजूस, the miser will never give anything to anyone. So that's all. The lesson is over. If you have any doubts, you could comment in the comment section and comment what's the next video you want. So I hope you understood the video. Please subscribe to my channel, like this video and share this video to your family and friends.